Royal Enfield is now planning to set up a new plant in Tamil Nadu and preparations have been started for the same. The company has also acquired 60 acres of land on the outskirts of Chennai and the plant will produce EVs. It is said that Royal Enfield is going to invest 1,000 rupees to 1,500 crores in the next 12 to 24 months, depending on the production capacity of the company. The company is also going to produce ICE-engined bikes. In the new factory, Royal Enfield can first bring Shotgun 650 and Himalayan 450 from the new plant. The company has also started working on this plot to make smooth transition to EVs when ready for production. Presently, the total capacity of Royal Enfield's Orgadam and Vallam Vadgal plants is more than 1 million per annum, which is sufficient to meet the growing demand in the years to come. Although the company is about to enter new markets in the global market, along with this, the company is about to bring many new electric two-wheelers. In such a situation, the company wants to be ready for the future. Royal Enfield's powerful bikes are now becoming popular not only in India but across the world. The company currently exports Bullet 350, Classic 350, Meteor 350, Continental GT and Interceptor 650 bikes. Royal Enfield has also recently started exporting its new bike Super Meteor 650. The bike maker has sent the first batch of units of the Super Meteor 650 to the United Kingdom, UK. This bike will be delivered to those customers who had done pre-booking. After UK, export of Super Meteor will be started in other countries as well.